What's up, y'all? Hope you are doing good and staying super blessed. Today, it's basically like I'm filming the intro after everything was done, after the install was done. You guys, there's too much going on that day. So basically, it's an intro to an outro, right? That's what we're doing. But in today's video, we are installing brand new tail lights. They are from Archaic. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but I believe that's how you say it. They are a really good, strong company. They really focus on fitment, you guys. They focus on quality. They focus on customer service. You know, I've heard nothing but great things about these guys. They are pretty new in the game. So say, I think they've been around like 2 or 3 years. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they're really making a name for themselves now. They're seriously the same quality as JDM Muscle. They are literally they remind me basically of OEM Plus tills, right? That's what I get out of these guys. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys everything in this video. We are doing an unboxing and an install, and I'm going to show you the functions of what the tail lights do, the startup animation sequence, the DRLs, and the sequential turn signals. So without further ado, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Much love and major blessings, you guys. This is Skylyfe Projects. Another video. Here we go. Show you the 3 tools that you need. It'll be a ratchet with a 10mm, a plastic pry tool, and a Phillips screwdriver. These 3 is all you will need to do this entire install. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously open up the trunk. It is extremely hot in Arizona today. We are looking at a temperature of 108 degrees. So it is very hot. Not exactly excited to do this install right now with how hot it is. But the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this clip right here. You can see it, so it just pops up. And then sometimes you got to get in there a little bit. Okay. Alright, once those are removed, there is a what do you call it, retainer clip over here as well. So you're going to carefully, it just pulls out just like that, and your main headlight connector will be right here. So geez, it's hot. Oh my god, this light is so hot right now because it's just toasting in the sun. So yeah, let me get something real quick. Just hang that right. That's what I needed. So simply, you're just going to unplug, I believe it is this one. Let's clip right here. Alright, y'all, so once the tail light is removed, there's the OEM tail light, right? Still a beautiful tail light in my opinion. We're going to put this over here. And for now, let's pull out the new tail light, which I think is this size. Right. Yep. So it's gonna go like that and that. Alright. So once you have your new tail light connected, you're gonna line up right here. This part and you're going to start with the left and then go to the right like that, and it'll pop in and it'll look like that. So now we got to check it to see if it works. Okay, so that's the sequential, and as you guys can see, the light definitely works. Here's what it looks like out. Wish it was a little bit darker, but yeah, so this one definitely works. And same process as you took it off. You're just gonna make sure that's all the way popped in there. Should be popped in there, yep. All right. 1 second. Turn that off real quick. Probably better. Okay. So same process, guys. Just gonna just see how it looks real quick. All right, you're aligned. Yep. So there's the difference. All right, let's get the other side. Here we go. All right, guys, same thing for this side. I'm just gonna come over here. Hear that pop? It should just come right out. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. But that pops off. Same thing as the other side. Take out the retainer clip and get back to work on the tins. I think they look super dope. It's like a light smoke, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna show you real quick here. It's like a light smoke, right? But yeah, it's not a very dark, which I'm glad it isn't, because I did not want a very dark. I mean, it's still like, I'd say light to medium dark, but I wouldn't say it's very dark smoke, no. Almost getting this out here. Jeez, big bolts. All right, so same thing on this side. It is, like I said, extremely hot in AZ. Probably will be different for y'all, but for me, we gotta do this. There we go. This one came out really easily. See how easy that was? What the heck? All right. Just gonna be a second till I take this thing off here. There we go. Jeez, sometimes it takes some force, y'all. Some force. All right, let's pull the puppy over here. Let's get the new one out. Super good build quality too, you guys. I believe these are like an exact design, or close to it, I should say, of, I think it's Driven Media. But at least to me, they look very similar. I don't know what you guys think, but I would say they're a pretty similar design. All right, give me a second. All right, y'all, last one here. Gotta go under the weather stripping. There you go. And pop. retainer clip. There we go. All right, that's done. Let's show the final product. Be back in 1 sec. Alright y'all, that is going to do it for tonight's video, I should say, because, well, we are losing light. But what do you guys think? What do you think? I mean, they're super bright. I consider these OLEDs, to be honest with you. They definitely look the part. I love how bright the sequentials are, as you can see right there. And the startup animation sequence, super dope. Love it. I love how it matches exactly this piece right here. This what do you call it, this trunk piece that a lot of people do, carbon fiber. Let's talk about that. Honestly, if I did this carbon fiber, it would not match the tails now. So it's like kind of good with just leaving it at gloss black, because, well, this is gloss black clearly right here, and it's got a smoke effect to it. But honestly, you guys, they're super dope. I could do this all day. They look super awesome, and I am extremely impressed with the fitment. Love the fitment on these, absolutely love them. They even are air seal tight right here on the ends, so there's no way any water can get in between here, nothing like that. I love that for sure. But yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments. Leave a comment. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you wish they were different? We'll throw the sequentials on one more time so you guys can see how quick they are. Kind of wish I guess that's the only critique I could have, is I wish they were a little bit slower on the sequence blinking, but really I have no other complaints. Install super easy. I know the video seems like it was a while, but that's because I was really just taking my time making sure the fitment was correct and everything. So yeah, that'll do it, you guys, for another time, another video. This is Skylyfe Projects. Remember, leave a thumbs up. Love y'all. Until next time, we out.